Canada is the country of many things, many places. It's a country of many races, many people. No matter where you live, no matter where your place is, Canada is waiting for you. Will future. Some people have been taught that will is the future in English. This is not correct. Sometimes when we talk about the future, we cannot use will. Sometimes when we use will, we're not talking about the future. We can use will to talk about future events we believe to be certain. The sun will rise over there tomorrow morning. Next year, I'll be 50. That plane will be late. It always is. There won't be any snow. I'm certain it's too warm. Often we add perhaps, maybe, probably, possibly to make the belief less certain. I'll probably come back later. He'll possibly find out when he sees Ginny. Maybe it'll be okay. Perhaps we'll meet again someday. We often use will with I think or I hope. I think I'll go to bed now. I think she'll do well on the job. I hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you won't make too much noise. We use will at the moment we make a new decision or plan. The thought is just coming into our head. Bye, I'll phone you when I get there. I'll answer that. I'll go. I won't tell him, I promise. Which one is the correct form of a future will? We'd call him and he said he's gonna come here tomorrow. 2. Will they go to the park today? 3. We're going to the restaurant now. 4. She'll be going to there. The correct answer is number 2. Will they go to the park today? Explanations. 1. We'd call him and he said he's gonna come here tomorrow. He is going to be plus going to. Come is the main verb. 2. Will they go to the park today? Will plus the main verb. Will plus go. 3. We're going to the restaurant now. Are going to be plus going to. 4. She'll be going to there. Will be plus the main verb. This is a continuous future. Explore the website of Canada Smart Mind. You can learn English, French, and the Canadian immigration process. Subscribe yourself and receive new videos notifications. Be your guest.